General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we got a gifted shoe from our friends over at KW. They went ahead and sent these over for a review. We have the Jordan 4 Union Desert Moss joints on deck for everybody to see. We're gonna see what we like, see what we dislike about the shoe. I think that this one is my favorite out of the Union 4s so far. I think this one knocks it out of the park. Now, a lot of people don't really like this one. I think the Noir joint is dope. I do like the Guava Ice joints, and I really like the Top Haze joints. But I think this one takes the cake for me personally. I think it's that blend of purple, that blend of that weird golden tan type of color, and then you got those hits of that light blue on there. It just looks super dope. And to me, I think that this one is the better of the 4 versions, with the Noir pair being a very close second with the Top Haze joint. The good thing about all of these shoes is that they're situational. So many different colorways. You can rock them out in different varieties of different ways, and then it just makes outfits pop. Even if you have something basic on, it's just dope. Before I break down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this shoe, about the video, any suggestions. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, latest and greatest, everything will be there. But really, I want y'all to follow me on that Discord. The Discord link is in the description. It's where we go and find kicks. We go and share kicks with each other. We do pictures with each other. We help people find shoes, everything. Just to let y'all know that this shoe is a UA shoe. It is not the retail, but if you do want the retail, you can go to StockX and go. I will put the prices on the screen. My videos are for educational purposes. I do not condone scamming. I don't sell shoes. I don't do any of that. I just review shoes, all right? So let's jump right into this joint. I really like this Desert Moss colorway. This Desert Moss is so clean. I like it a lot. So the upper is comprised of pretty much a heavy, long-haired suede. Very long-haired suede right here. You got some transition on that toe box. It's pretty much throughout the whole shoe. And then you have this almost ballistic mesh type of style of mesh on the toe box and around the ankle collar and behind that cage as well. They did a really good job with these. I think this design was on the money. They didn't do too much, but they did just enough to make it look super clean. I think that Jordan brand knew what they were doing with the Union cats, and they made this one super clean. So the laces are very familiar to the Top Haze Union pair. I think these are the same, but they did come with an extra set, which is this light blue. And if you wanted to spice it up a little bit, put that light blue in there, I think that's a good hit. But me personally, I'll probably leave these ones in there just for contrasting purposes. But very nice. This purple was kind of like a Lakers purple, and that's kind of the vibes I get from this shoe. Really kind of like a dirty Lakers colorway. Very prestigious, you know what I'm saying? Just very clean. The suede is so nice on these. And to make that suede rise up and pop a little bit more, you guys can get yourself a little suede brush and then just kind of brush that joint, and it's gonna raise up. And that suede is just so transitional. It looks so nice. It's almost kind of like a Timberland color. If you think about like the Timberlands, you know, that wheat colorway, it's kind of like a wheat, you know what I mean? It's a wheat colorway. Very nice. You still got that folded tongue, and if you guys want to cut this, you guys can cut this open, and then it will show you the Union Jordan sign, the original Jordan tag underneath, and that probably looks pretty good, you know what I mean? I do like this gold on the bottom here. That looks really nice. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, so no changes, no differences there. I do like these waffles for the eyelets. I do like that. It looks good. And then you have that standard Union clear see-through wing right here that holds the laces there. In the air unit, you do have some light blue, same color as this, so it looks good. Heel of the shoe really stands out to me. I think that looks really good. I do like that lavender Nike Air. Super clean if you ask me. And then you have that light blue tag. Now usually on fours, the back of the shoes don't line up well, but I mean, it varies. I mean, even in retails, it varies, so you can't really use that as a gauge unless it's completely off and looks wild fugazi, but these look pretty good. I think they did this one right. You do have a hang tag with these ones. It does say Union on it. It is yellow. The only thing about these hang tags is that they're kind of flimsy. I remember they used to be hard plastic, but now it's just kind of like a little flimsy hang tag. But if you like this stuff to hang on your shoes, you can keep it on there. Me personally, I just take it right off. Outsole of the shoe looks pretty good. I like that lavender Nike Air. It keeps popping up. It looks clean. I don't know about y'all, but I love that hit right there. It looks dope. Got that nice yellow right there, that Union yellow, and then you got that light blue right there as well. Now, one of the things that people were looking at on the earlier batches of these is the Union LA little tag right here. And there's been discrepancies where people think that it's too far over, or, you know, underneath the wing, or it's too far this way and it's exposed too much. Personally, I just don't care. That's people that nitpick. Me personally, I don't nitpick. I just like it for what it is. And if it's there, it's there. As long as the tag is there, for me, I'm cool with it. But you know, if you guys look, you know, you want it to be as accurate as possible as a picture online, then I guess that might be the way that, you know, you want to have your shoe looking. But me personally, as long as it's there, I'm cool with it. Internals of the shoe looks pretty good. There's that lavender again right there, that Union with the Jumpman right there. You guys see that? Looks very, very nice. It says size 10, but this is a 10.5. I don't know what happened there, but right here on the tag, it says 10.5. But that little sticker in there says size 10, so that's pretty strange. I do like how they got kind of like a gray, almost brown on this sock liner. Definitely different. It does match the laces, so I do like that, but I kind of expected it to be something different. I would have liked it if it was black too. That would have been pretty clean. Other than that, we got a yellow insole. So these do have polyurethane insoles, which is the most comfortable insole on a Jordan shoe. These fit true to size, so KW did it right when they put the God Killer batch out. There's nothing really that I can complain about. So overall, I think that this shoe is super dope. If I had to rate the colorway on a scale of 1 to 10, you know I'm giving it a 9.5. This is my favorite colorway out of the batch. You know what I'm saying? Out of all 4 of the Jordan 4 Unions, this is my favorite colorway. Really like this one. Materials used is God Killer. H12 batch, I mean, gotta go with a 10. It's pretty clean, no flaws. Only like minor little glue things that you would see on a normal shoe. Like for example, right here, you got a tiny little spot where there's some glue. Nothing that's really gonna bother me, and it really shouldn't bother you. So that's all I got for this review, y'all. Hope this review was informative for you. Go on StockX and go get your kicks. Go to KW, go to whoever you need to go to find your shoes. Just make sure when you get your shoes, you wear them. You know what I'm saying? Just wear your kicks, y'all. That's all I ask. So let's jump into that on foot. This review is over with. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Yo, what's good, peeps? I'm out here at the trail real quick. Just wanted to bring these ones to y'all real quick. These are the Union 4s. Now, we in the regular sunlight, so they look a little bit different. And the sun is coming from that direction. So it'll be a little bright right here. But on the on foot, you're going to see more of a true color because I'm outside. But these are dope. This is the God Killer pair. And God Killer pair is always H12 batch. So this is what the H12 batch is going to look like outdoors. Let's jump into that on foot and then let's get to this next video because it's really, really cold out here. All right?